or the future, or where do we see the future? I think our strategy, if I had to put it in 2 words, is MCP everywhere. Every interface, every API will at some point have MCP layer that serves and helps agents and other services connect. So I think with time, what we're going to see is more and more and more services that are going to get connected to MCP. Two interesting points that we kind of think about from the MCP developer point of view is one, how would multi-step interaction look like? So if you're playing around deeply with MCP, you start seeing that multi-step MCP interaction gets, this is an area that has to be kind of solved really, really well, for 30, 40, 50 MCP calls. So this is one area that we think we're going to improve on. And this idea of meta context, right? So it's not just, and Santiago mentioned it, it's not just the context that I'm going to provide to the LLM. It's also the different tools and the different, and the ability to have the agent interact with this context. And I think this is really revolutionary. For the first time, the client side is also opinionated about the relationship with the server. And it's not like a unidirectional thing. MCP is going to get fused into the APIs, right? So this is like already on the beta API for Anthropic. OpenAI are adopting it. So really think about, as a builder, having MCP directly into the API really makes development, really shortens the distance that you need to go, and really puts a lot of the value into the hands of companies that are developing those MCP servers.